I just wanted to share a really quick video with you guys. I am going to be uploading this Friday. I've been a bit busy lately, but I just wanted to say something really quick. By the way, earlier today, we've already seen reports of the banks collapsing, more specifically Wells Fargo, already ripping people's money right out of their savings account. So what I'm going to recommend you do immediately, as soon as possible, I'm going to say right now, take your money out of your fucking bank. ASAP. Like, it is not even a choice at this point. You are going to want to take your money out of the bank and keep it in cash. Keep it in a safe and keep it with a gun. If you can do that, you'll be at least somewhat better off than if you hadn't, okay? And also, God, there's just so much shit to say. I don't even know where to begin, but there's fucking, everybody knows that fast food is poisonous, but obviously there's so much extra shit in it that I'm not going to go into right now. And it's just, they put GMOs in there, they put pesticides, they put herbicides, they put fucking hormones, there's so much soy in everything. It acts as estrogen in males' bodies. It's fucking crazy, okay? I can't even, Satan is everywhere. It's in the music industry, it's in Hollywood, there's pedophiles everywhere. I don't know what else to say and how else to say it, but the world is fucked, okay? Bidenomics does not fucking work. I'm sure we all know that. There's already fucking liberals at the White House right now, illegals and illegal immigrants in front of the White House, protesting for free Palestine and, you know, whatever for the whole fucking what is it? Israel and Gaza and the Hamas war and whatever. By the way, that whole thing is just part of the fucking propaganda, okay? You can believe whatever you want to believe, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it's bullshit. It's the same exact fucking standard issue, distract you with bullshit while there's other things going on behind the scenes, just like Ukraine and Russia. It's just a bullshit thing for them to launder money that the Biden crime family is doing, okay? So hopefully we can get Trump 2024 in here. Next year, 2024, it's already November, so within a year, hopefully, I'm really praying and I'm hoping that's how things are going. So guys, all I can tell you is just be safe. Get a gun if you can. It's the safest thing. Build as much money as you can. Learn to farm, learn to grow your own food, do everything naturally. Stop eating the fast food. Stop eating shit with chemicals, GMOs, all that stupid shit, all right? Work out. Get some sort of exercise going, work your brain, keep yourself healthy like a normal human being, praise God, read the Bible, pray, all right? That's going to be your best bet. All of those things. So, God bless you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, guys. See ya.